Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Kamen Rider Kits is probably one of the most exciting ways for fans to bring their favorite heroes to life, offering an immersive building experience that culminates in a highly poseable and detailed collectible, perfect for display or recreating iconic action scenes right on your desk, making it a must-have for both seasoned modelers and newcomers to the world of plastic kits. Number 5. Bandai Hobby Kamen Rider Decade Figurized Standard Model Kit. The iconic Masked Rider Decade is now part of the Figurized Standard series. Fans can finally add this legendary hero to their collection. This is a premium model kit from Bandai Spirits. It offers an engaging building experience for enthusiasts. The kit boasts a meticulous focus on color division. This ensures a highly accurate and vibrant representation of the character. It comes with a comprehensive array of optional parts. These allow for dynamic posing and customization. Experience the thrill of assembling this detailed figure. It's designed for both seasoned builders and new fans alike. What we like. This model boasts excellent color separation and a wide array of accessories. It ensures a vibrant, accurate display right out of the box. If you appreciate intricate details and want a versatile figure with many posing options, you should consider this one. What people say. No reviews provided in the source data to extract points from. Cannot fulfill min items, 2 requirement without source data. Number 4. Bandai Spirits Figurized Standard Kamen Rider Kabuto Model Kit. The legendary Kamen Rider Kabuto is back in the Figurized line. This model kit celebrates the Heisei era's 20th anniversary, letting you relive his iconic journey. Experience unparalleled posability with new, improved parts. These enhancements allow for incredibly accurate recreations of his signature moves, like Clock Up and Rider Kick. It includes the impressive masked form armor, allowing you to display him in his powerful initial state. You can easily switch between forms to showcase his full potential. This kit comes packed with essential gear. You'll find 3 types of Kabuto sectors, the Kabuto Kunai gun, and dynamic effect parts for his Rider Kick. Beyond the main figure, it provides numerous hand parts for diverse poses and a sturdy display stand. Everything you need to showcase your completed hero is right here. Rest assured, this is an officially licensed Bandai Spirits product. Look for the Bandai Namco warning label on the box as proof of its authenticity and quality. What we like. It features improved articulation and includes the iconic masked form armor. This allows for dynamic poses and recreating signature moves like Clock Up and Rider Kick with included effect parts. If you are looking for a highly posable figure with iconic transformation options and action effects, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Bandai Spirits Figurized Standard Kamen Rider Blade Model Kit. Get ready to build your favorite hero with this incredible model kit. It brings the legendary Masked Rider blade to your collection. An extra finish has been adopted for this model. It faithfully recreates the intricate textures of the suit, ensuring a realistic appearance. 10 Rouse cards, crafted from high-quality PET plastic materials, are included. These iconic accessories add to its display possibilities. A special focus has been put on recreating the transformation belt's turn-up effect. You can vividly display its iconic transformation. Rock effect parts are also included, inspired by its powerful finisher scenes. These allow you to pose it in dynamic action. Its dedicated blade rouser weapon is full of various exciting gimmicks. This enhances playability and display options. The product box features a Bandai Namco warning label. This is proof you are purchasing an officially licensed Bandai Spirits product. What we like. This kit features an extra finish for realistic suit textures and includes PET plastic Rouse cards. It brings the character to life with authentic details and unique accessories. If you like intricate details, premium finishes, and enjoy recreating finisher scenes with special effects, this model is perfect for you. What people say. Number 2. Bandai Spirits Figurized Standard Masked Rider Agito Ground Form. Introducing the iconic Masked Rider Agito Ground Form. This highly detailed model kit brings your favorite hero to life. Crafted by Bandai Spirits, this figurized standard model is officially licensed. You can trust its authenticity and superior design. Experience the joy of assembly with this engaging kit. It's designed for enthusiasts aged 15 and up, offering a rewarding building process. Once completed, it stands at an impressive 3.10 inches tall. Its compact yet detailed form makes it a perfect addition to any collection. Every aspect of the Masked Rider Agito ground form is faithfully recreated. This model kit is a must-have for fans and collectors alike. What we like. This is an officially licensed product, ensuring authenticity and quality. It provides a solid foundation for any collector looking for a reliable representation. If you prioritize official merchandise and a straightforward, iconic representation of the character, this model is a dependable option. What people say. Number 1. Bandai Hobby Kamen Rider Black Figurized Standard Model Kit. Experience the iconic hero, Masked Rider Black, in a whole new way. This legendary character is now available as a premium model kit. From Bandai Hobby, this figurized standard model kit brings incredible detail and articulation. You can build and pose your favorite hero with ease. Enjoy the satisfying process of assembling this kit. Every piece is designed for a precise fit, ensuring a rewarding building experience. Rest assured, you're getting an authentic product. A Bandai Namco warning label on the box confirms its official licensing. Don't miss your chance to add this incredible piece to your collection. It's the perfect way to celebrate the enduring legacy of Kamen Rider Black. What we like. It represents an iconic character from the Kamen Rider series in the reliable figurized standard line. This kit is a must-have for fans of classic heroes, offering a faithful rendition. If you are a longtime fan of the franchise and want to add a legendary hero to your collection, this one is an essential pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.